Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to buy bread on MetaMask. First, you'll need to install the MetaMask wallet, available as a browser extension or mobile app. Once installed, fund your wallet with Ethereum, as this is typically required for transactions on the network. Remember to allocate a small amount of Ethereum for gas fees, which are necessary to process your purchase. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth buying experience. Next, open your web browser and go to a decentralized exchange such as Uniswap. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner, and select MetaMask. Once connected, you'll need to find the correct BRET token. Always verify the contract address to avoid scams. You can usually find this on the official BRET website or a reputable crypto data site. This step ensures you're interacting with the legitimate token. Now, within the decentralized exchange interface, choose the token you want to swap from, like Ethereum, and select BRET as the token you wish to receive. Input the desired amount of BRET you want to buy. Before confirming, carefully review all transaction details, including the estimated gas fees and any potential slippage. Slippage refers to the expected price change between when you submit and when the transaction executes. Adjust if necessary. After reviewing the details on the decentralized exchange, a MetaMask pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the transaction. Double-check the gas fees and the total amount before clicking Confirm. Once confirmed, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain for processing. This usually takes a few moments. After successful confirmation, your newly acquired BRET tokens will be visible in your MetaMask wallet, ready for you to hold or use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.